Development Innovations, the project of USAID, it's unique. It's the first time that they've done a project like this to create a lab that would be self-sustaining and become the catalyst for a community to generate technological change. We are very excited about it. USAID is very excited about it here. Washington, USAID is also very excited about it. We hope we make this very successful because I'm sure that if we do, it's a project that USAID will replicate in other countries. There are lots of things that go by the name of lab or hub here in Cambodia and in other places. Instead has a lab, Small World has a lab, there's a hackerspace. Those are all great things. We're not here to compete with any of them. We're not here to put them out of business. We're a collaborator, not a competitor. Ours is a bit different. Those labs actually build things. They get ideas and they build it out themselves. We collect the ideas, help them gestate, help them catalyze the idea and take it to the next step, and encourage them to form partnerships with people like Instead or Small World, or whoever can be the help, the technological side of building out the solution.
The reason we created Small World is because we want a space to work for ourselves, but we do not have enough money. So what we came up for, that many people can come together, share money and rent a space, so we all can have a space to work.
So 17 triggers. Our mission is to help organizations trigger 17 times more impact. We help them do that through innovation and through creative thinking. What's really exciting about Development Innovations is they give that space and they give that opportunity for organizations to explore and try new things and to actually innovate. It's really, really exciting.
So far, the Development Innovations have introduced so many good models. And as far as I can see one that we can work with the innovation is to develop more talented young people.
We have designed the project in a way that, as I said before, we are incubators of solutions. We're not builders of apps or producers of tools. That would be taking business away from perfectly viable existing entities in the local market that we hope to work with. So the project is an incubator of solutions. We bring people together, we matchmake, we encourage, we stimulate, and we guide the creative process. We provide hard technical skills through our training program, and we even have a grant fund to provide some seed money for helping to realize the potential of some of these solutions, to see them actually reach the point where they're implemented in the field.
Instead is a technology non-profit organization that our goal is to work on the technology design and development for address the social need, and we work globally around the world. We look forward to work with development innovation in the collaboration to support the development in Cambodia, and we hope that by the collaborating with partner like development innovation will help boost the development in Cambodia faster.
Development Innovations brings new technologies, new ways of doing things, new ways of working with NGOs, and also an interest to work with youth. So we think that we can really work together very well on developing these objectives, working with youth, developing critical thinking, developing youth usage of technology, and helping innovation in the NGO sector and in the private sector.
To get where Cambodia needs to be, it needs an expanding technological sector, and that means drawing more and more of the youth into technology-related careers. So we have lots of activities in our program, including a talent development program, which we'll be running, which gives a 9-month training program of some hardcore skills and then on-job assignments with CSOs that are working to implement new ICT applications or solutions. We have a volunteer program that we are hoping many university students and others will sign up for, to hang out in the lab and create an opportunity for them to use and to develop some technical skills. One of the key elements of our project is that we take a very collaborative approach. We're all about creating partnerships. Our institution is a project. That's to say, it has a short life. In our case, it's 3 years. We're not going to be here when the 3 years are over. Hopefully, the lab will still be here. The idea is to create a sustainable institution that serves what we call the social innovation community.
Because we are a membership organization, we can play a role as a coordinator or facilitator to mobilize the resource, both financial or technical support, for improvement the capacity of CCC members who are work directly on the development issue to improve CCC and development innovation. We can join effort together in order to host the learning and sharing forum to improve capacity or to improve the skill of those development actors.
We understand that we're just here as short-term visitors. We're not the permanent people here. Therefore, what we hope to do and what we hope to facilitate are new kinds of partnerships and collaborations between civil society organizations and technology companies and technologists. By participating in the many activities, by hanging out at our lab, by joining some of the interest groups, by attending some of our classes, there'll be many opportunities for these two diverse sectors to get to know each other a bit better.